In this class, we try to get beyond just a monologue or even a dialogue that's strictly about the best practices, about the concepts and the principles of integrated scenario planning. We try to get beyond that by using real-life examples. And these examples could come from a number of sources. Some of them are from our own experience, implementing IBP in industry. Some of them are from our peers at Oliver Wight that have interactions that are memorable. Some of them might even be from another industry, but something that would help make the bring the class to life. And the other thing that happens in our class is between the students, you get a great deal of kind of interaction and storytelling that's helpful. The other thing we try to do in the class is drive up the level of engagement. We do that through various activities. That might be breakout sessions. It might be hands-on activity where we're having people utilize the tools that we're introducing in the class, tools and templates. And then we'll even do things like a brief case study. And that's not a brief case study, that's a brief case study. That centers around a company in Texas. They are intimately involved with their consumers, and it's a demonstration of what good looks like. They employ a number of the things that we teach in the class, and in doing so, they weathered COVID far better than their competition, than their peers, and they also elevated themselves with their customers. It was a great success story. They did what in the class we like to say was they were prepared to respond as opposed to having to react. The whole intent here is to try to take the very important core principles and the best practice, but cement them and make them memorable for those that attend the class. And we find that the case study is one of the most enjoyable parts of the class. It brings a lot of energy out of the participants, and it really cements some of those critical integrated scenario planning concepts that we're trying to teach.